Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's team call. We already covered a bunch of stuff, hot topics and sprint planning. You're welcome to check it out. Just a quick let's go quickly through last week announcement, challenges, etc. So I have a few on my own, and then Philippe has a couple. No, so Philippe has one and Francisco has another one. Um, so just so you are aware, so I'm doing the part two of financials. It's taking a lot of my more time than I wanted, but it's going okay with the year partner. They are cool. I work well with the girl there, and we're doing a good job. But it's taking a little bit more time than I wanted. But just wanted to say, keep in mind when we have this, we're gonna have monthly financial reports on Notion, and this means we'll make the spreadsheets private. There's several reasons for this. One is privacy for for a lot of people. We're getting paid their own monthly checks there and all that. But also from a security standpoint, it's important to not have it all open like that. So financial reports will include all the information that is needed. I'll bring the team and the community. You know, if there's something that you need, we'll always leave a note. If you want to know something else, just ask and we can improve the monthly financial reports. It's just so you know that when we have this, we're gonna shut down the others. Um, Okay, in terms of requests, I have one request. I still don't know what to do with this, okay? So it's a random general request, but we have a lot of operational tasks, all of us. Me, I have a lot. Uh, Francisco, he has way too many than he should. Philippe as well, but also I think this trickles down to the rest of the team, and you know, contractors as well. For sure, you have. Okay, so. Right now, I'm just making a list of all the things that are operational needs that we have and try to understand what to make of this in the end. Okay. Um, yeah, we have an HR director, but he's currently very busy doing the profile. But yeah, the HR director is also welcome to put in the his operational needs. Okay, it's a broad exercise, so I don't even know what to make of this. But it's an interesting process to see, you know, also in terms of productivity, how much time and sometimes it's not time, it's energy, mental brain energy that you put into things that don't exactly produce happiness. Not saying that all work needs to lead to happiness, but if you can make it more happy, you know, why not, right? So this is a request for the core team and contractors. You know, just help me out, understand if I'm missing something there. And then okay, this is mine. So sorry, Philippe, I thought it was yours. So just a quick note: we're gonna do a blank canvas for community. Just overall rethink all of this. I know we're focusing on product, but I think the exercise we did for product was interesting. Probably we're gonna have to simplify things. Just do a blank canvas exercise. It's an interesting model. Philippe.
What I was thinking is that, of course, it's better to do this in person, but is it
Hmm.
worth waiting 2 months or more? Because I mean, I'll be back in like October 18th, and then will be like that will be event season starting, the nights, talent house, all of that. So,
I
do you
don't
think
know.
we should try to do it even with me remotely and earlier?
I don't know. I need to think about it.
Okay.
My immediate thought when I wrote this was when you're back. That was
Okay.
my gut feeling decision. But the question is very valid. I'll think about it. Liao, please also think about it. Okay. Liao, next one.
Yeah, so this was essentially something that when thinking about that came up during product vision and also otherwise, which is to try to connect a bit more the different areas in Talent Protocol, and one of those is, and I've said this in the past, but for instance, I feel a bit disconnected from Talent House, and to a certain degree, if I didn't chat so much with Gustav, I wouldn't. I would feel the same about the Level Up program, right? So here the idea is to like bring that closer to the team. And so with It Lisbon coming up and us making or creating a talent house for Lisbon, and It Lisbon going to be a hackathon focused event. Here the idea is to put our team hacking together with the talent house. And so we'll kind of launch a challenge to the whole team to kind of during those events hack a bit with Talent House. We'll make a nice sporting competition between us, so none of us will be on the same team. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So one of the things that this would imply is for Ruben and even Pedro Pereira to come down to Lisbon during this whole blockchain week, which I think it will be cool. We'll take care of the logistics. Another thing that is under ops needs. But yeah, so I think this would be cool. This happens at the end of October, so Ruben is already back from his vacation and coming back as a husband. So it will be good to get everyone back together and hack away, I think.
Okay. All right. Sounds like a challenge. Not sure if there's any questions, but if there are, just gonna think this. Okay. Philippe, last one.
I mean, this is kind of similar to the blank canvas idea and kind of stealing the concept from zero-based budgeting, which is kind of that idea instead of when you're going to the next year, instead of just revising last year's budget and kind of changing a thing or two, it's that idea of starting from a blank slate. And yeah, I'm also going to do that for kind of the marketing plan, marketing budget and KPIs for season 3. So instead of just updating what we have, just starting from scratch, because unlike product, it's easier to start a marketing plan from scratch than a product. So that idea, instead of just forgetting everything that we have, and if we built a marketing plan from scratch, and how would we do it, and also considering that the marketing team will be smaller, so how can we be more effective and maybe do less things but more effective things? Oh yeah,
you guys see this thing?
Yes.
I don't know how to take it off. The annotate. Okay, undo. Okay, cool.
So many years working technology, doesn't know how
Jesus.
to,
Yeah. Happens to all of us. Okay, zero base metrics. Let's wrap it up. Philippe again.
Yeah, here just a quick thank you to Francisco for helping me with the KPIs this week due to the time zone difference. Not a lot of, it's, as you can see, there's more greens than reds, but I think the reds are of course the key metrics for us, which are active users and engaged users that still came down. I think this is not kind of news to us, and it's something that we're trying to solve with new product features. What else is here? I mean, we got a bunch of new tokens launched last week, and I think mostly due to the Talent House Mexico group that all launched their tokens this week. And yeah, I think that's kind of, then the visitors to the app grew again, maybe kind of, I don't know, related to some of more push into the comms, kind of the blog post and stuff like that, that remind people to get back to the app. And And also I think the fact that we were in Mexico City in the hackathon, so kind of talking about Talent Protocol to a lot of new people, and then of course they kind of check out the app.
So it's very very interesting. This I clearly see a difference between this Talent House and the other two. This was a builder's house.
Yeah,
It's
in
almost
terms of
like
engagement, yeah, a lot more engagement on this one.
yes, exactly. It's like you get more engaged with each other if you build together, this sort of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, exactly.
I think that's the biggest learning for me, you know, watching from afar. I'm pretty sure for you was
Yeah, definitely.
right.
Hackathons are better than conferences.
One other thing I'm thinking is, you know, this folks, you know, registering, setting up their profile, launching their token, they are exactly the type of users that we want. Spot on, you know, call it about bullseye. It's bullseye. I was thinking Luminita, Flip. I know you're gonna use zero-based planning, but I think it's important. Even though this townhouse had a massive engagement, I hope the Bogota one will also have. What about the previous two? You know, like maybe it's time to create this alumni context and bring them all together in a way. Think about it. Maybe I'm being too naive, understanding. Yeah, let's just bring everyone together that has been into different houses. Maybe it doesn't work, but think about it.
No,
If you want to do
that's
zero-based planning, please think about this because these are the type of users that we really, really want. Okay.
yeah, that is I think a task that Lumi need to set for herself, which is how to create connections between the houses. How do we keep them the old houses kind of engaged, and how do they get to know each other?
All right. That's pretty much it. Thank you everyone for your time and let's do this.